If you use a Windows PC to manage your iPhone, iPad, or even iPod data, chances are that you've had to rely on iTunes in the past. And if you use iTunes for any length of time, then you probably know that it's not always smooth sailing. This will range from unexpected error codes to failed sync attempts. These problems can be frustrating, especially when all you want to do is just back up your data or restore your device. And so today, we're going to talk about some of the worst iTunes errors that you might encounter, why they happen, and how to fix them quickly. I'll also show you how Dr.Fone can scan for common iTunes issues, repair them, and even solve connection or syncing problems that iTunes alone can't handle. So before we start, make sure that you have the latest version of iTunes installed on your PC. This can prevent some of the most common issues from popping up in the first place. With that said, let's get right into it. Part 1. Common iTunes errors and why they tend to happen. iTunes errors often appear as cryptic numbers or short messages, which can make them hard to understand. Some of the most common ones include error 0xe80000A, which often means that there is a device recognition problem, and error 3194, which usually points to an issue with Apple servers during a restoration or update. Other errors can be caused by outdated iTunes versions, corrupted software components, broken device drivers, or security software interfering with the connection. In some cases, even a faulty USB cable or port can be the culprit. Knowing the source of the error is usually the first step toward fixing it. Part 2. How Dr.Fone repairs iTunes. This is where Dr.Fone's Repair iTunes module comes in handy. Instead of spending hours searching for solutions online, you can use this tool to run a complete check on iTunes. It scans for missing or even damaged components, verifies your iTunes version, and can perform an advanced repair that replaces corrupted files without affecting your iTunes library. It's not just for software corruption either. Dr.Fone can also fix iTunes connection issues, which are common when your device is plugged in but not really being detected, and syncing problems where iTunes fails to transfer data between your computer and device. Here's exactly how to use Dr.Fone to repair your iTunes installation. On your Windows PC, download and install Wondershare Dr.Fone. Launch the program and go to the Toolbox section and select Repair iTunes. Then just click on Start to run a basic check on your iTunes installation. If the scan finds any issues, choose Standard Repair to fix them without reinstalling iTunes. If the problem still persists even after you do choose this method, run the Advanced Repair module instead, which replaces the core components of iTunes while keeping your library intact. Then from there, just wait for Dr.Fone to finish the repair process, restart your computer, and then try connecting your device once more. Now moving on to part 3, which is fixing iTunes connection and syncing errors. Sometimes the issue isn't with iTunes itself, but with how it communicates with your device. Dr.Fone can troubleshoot and repair connection problems by resetting iTunes' device recognition settings, replacing damaged drivers, and repairing underlying iTunes services that are required for syncing. Now, if you want to fix these issues, just go ahead and follow these steps. In the Dr.Fone Repair iTunes module, just as before, select Fix iTunes Connection Issues. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow Dr.Fone to diagnose the problem. Once the repair is complete, reconnect your device and try syncing once more. This can resolve problems where iTunes won't detect your phone, where sync operations freeze, or where backups fail before completing. And let's get into part 5, repairing syncing errors with Dr.Fone System Repair. If you're still experiencing stubborn syncing problems, the Repair iTunes Syncing Error feature within Dr.Fone System Repair takes things a step further. Unlike the standard Repair iTunes module, this tool dives deeper into iOS system-level issues that interfere with iTunes syncing. This is especially useful if iTunes repeatedly fails during backup, gets stuck mid-sync, or shows errors that don't go away after basic troubleshooting. The System Repair module works to stabilize iTunes' connection with your iPhone by repairing hidden system conflicts that affect syncing. So here's how to get this done. So just go ahead and open Wondershare Dr.Fone on your computer. From the main menu, go to System Repair. Then select the option for iTunes Repair. Then choose Repair iTunes Syncing Errors. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Let Dr.Fone scan for syncing-related issues. And then once it detects the problems, click Repair to begin the process. Wait until the repair completes, then try syncing your device again through iTunes. This method is the most advanced way to deal with syncing problems, especially when nothing else really works. iTunes errors can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of something important. But with Dr.Fone's Repair iTunes module, you can quickly scan, identify, and fix these problems without needing to spend hours manually troubleshooting. Whether it's a mysterious error code, a sync failure, or your iPhone simply just isn't being recognized, Dr.Fone offers a straightforward way to get iTunes working again. If this video helped you, just hit the like button and subscribe for more tech fixes just like this. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new tip. With that said, until next time.